All right, you're welcome to this module. And in this module, we are going to be creating our ads. Now it's time to create the ad. So I'm going to be running over a few things or a lot of things. So you might have to watch this video 2 times or even more, because I'm going to be saying a lot of things even while the screen is static. So, but I'm not going to tell you anything you don't need. I'm not going to give you information that you don't need. So we have created your page, you have downloaded the necessary apps. So the next thing you want to do is open your Facebook ads manager, which is titled ads here. The name of the app is ads, or is named ads here, but that's the same app we downloaded the last time. So click on ads. All right, so that's it. So now click on create ad. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go over. Now you can see at the top, because I have only one published page, only one page has been published as far as this account goes, and that page is Watch Corner, and I just created that page now, so that is why that page is appearing at the top here. So if you happen to have more than one page, you would see the name of a page, one of your pages here, and you will see a drop down icon like a downward pointing arrow, very small arrow, that shows you that if you click on that place, you would be able to see your other pages, right? You'll be able to see your other pages. So I think I'm just gonna quickly create another page so I can use that to show you what I'm talking about. Let's go back. All right, pages, create, get started, page name. What can I use? Let me just use a random name. All right, so whatever business you want to sell or whatever product you want to sell, it is advisable that the name of your page represents your product as much as possible. In fact, most especially you should rather more importantly, it should represent what your product does. All right, except you are trying to create a brand on a long term, but if you are just trying to advertise a particular product at a particular time, just make sure that the name of the page tells the people more about what your product does. All right, so for me personally, I'm not trying to advertise my brand, okay, because I might pick up a product today and not sell it tomorrow. Maybe the product might be out of stock, or it might be a digital product, and my account might get disabled, and I'll have to run ads for that same product and have to start again from another account and all that. So I usually don't give much attention to branding. I just run my ads and I connect people to my WhatsApp. So it is in my WhatsApp that I do that people really get to know who I am. Okay, so you can put any name here, or so I'm going to type a name now, just another name for another product that I sell. I sell Facebook ads courses, and that is why you are watching this video. You paid for my Facebook ads course, so I could just set a name along that line, like ad I've used ad boss before, I've used ad legend, ads, okay, ads corner, something like that, ads corner, or ads teacher. All right, I don't want to use anything that has the word Facebook on it, because I don't think Facebook would like that. So click on next. I hope that has not been used. Okay, it has not been used. So I'm selling Facebook ads courses, so I'm educating people, so obviously my category will be education, and I'll click on next. I don't have a website, I just keep that, and I also click on done. I don't really need a Facebook profile picture for that. I've shown you how you can set that if that's what you're interested in. So yeah, my page is ready. All right, you can connect to your WhatsApp from here immediately after you create your page, if that is what you want to do, but that's not what I want to do. So yeah, okay, so I just go back and see. I'm going to restart my Facebook app and see if that page has reflected. Sorry, my Facebook ads manager app. Okay, so I've opened it. I'll click on create ad, and yeah, right, you can see that arrow I'm talking about, right? You can see that arrow. So I can click on ask teacher, and it drops down and shows me all the pages that this Facebook account has created. Okay, so I'll go back now. So before you do anything, um this is a very important aspect. That's what I just remembered right now, so it's going to change the title of this video. The first thing you want to set is how you are going to pay for your ads. This has given a lot of people headaches, a whole lot of people. I've had many complaints, and a lot of times I could not do anything about it, because the way the payment settings work for Facebook ads, once you set it once and you use it once, just once, you cannot undo the settings. So now you have two categories: you have prepaid and you have postpaid. All right, so the prepaid means that you deposit the amount you want to spend for your ads into your Facebook account, into your Facebook account. Then you run your ads, and your ads will spend that money that is in the account. So that's the option I'm going to teach you right now, because I'm recording this video from Nigeria, so our banking system can be very funny. So after trying different methods, I've come to the conclusion by experience that the best way to run ads, Facebook ads in Nigeria, is by prepaid method. That means you put the money in the account first, right? So that's what I'm going to show you now. So in other countries, I am hoping that in your country, if you're watching this video from another country, that it is not as difficult as it is for us in Nigeria. So, but if you have the opportunity to do a prepaid version, something similar, because it's possible that Facebook understands that this problem is general. It might be general. It might also be something that you have an issue you have in your country, where payments with cards can be declined many times, so even though you have money on the account. So if that is the case, then you should also still watch this video and follow how I'm going to set this up. It might be applicable to your country too, and if it's not applicable to your country, you can use the postpaid version. That means when you just add your card, that's the postpaid. The prepaid, you deposit the money. You don't necessarily add your card. You just deposit the amount of money you want to spend on ads into the account, into the Facebook advert account now. All right. So that's the prepaid. Now the postpaid, you just add your card to the account. So while you run your ads and you spend a certain amount of money, they will deduct that amount from your card, and your ad continues to run. So you might spend 700 naira. This is an example. And after you spend 700 naira, they will deduct 700 naira from your account. Then your ads continue to run until you spend, let's say, 2000 naira. Then they deduct 2000 naira from your account, and they keep spending again until they get to like 3000. So the more they are able to deduct money from your account easily, the higher the amount of money you get to spend before they deduct. So you can notice that the first was 700, the next one can be 2000. So you can spend as high as 2000. You have to spend as much as 700 before they can debit your account using the card that you added to your account. Now, I don't have an example for that, because I don't use it. I've stopped using it for a long time, because it has given me so many issues, and it has given other people so many issues. So I'm just giving you an overview of how that works. So I'm going to work on the prepaid. Now, how do you do the prepaid version? You look at the three dots on the top left corner of the screen. Some people call it sandwich button. So I think I'm going to use sandwich button from now on. These three dots, they are what I'm referring to as sandwich. All right. So, and it looks like a sandwich too. So click on it, then click on payments. Right. You can see payments here. Click on payments. Okay, now you click on add payment method. This is a very vital place. You should set this place before you do any other thing, because if you can't pay for your ads, no matter how good you are at running ads, no matter how good your product is, it will make no sense. So of course, you set your country, set your currency, set it to your local currency. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to set it to Nigeria. I'm going to set my time zone to Lagos. It has set that already for me, so I just click on save. And yes, now this is where I'm going to. Very, very important. Don't use debit or credit card. Just go do exactly what I'm doing. Forget about I have an ad credit to claim. I don't know how that works. It barely works for anybody. So just click on Naira payment with MasterCard using your PayU version. So if you don't see Naira payment with MasterCard, you can see local card option. It's still very similar. What both of them still entail is that you get to deposit the money into your account. Okay, so Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa. You might see local card, you might see Naira payments. It doesn't matter. Just pay attention to how I'm going to do it, because the procedures are similar. So you click on next. Okay, and you deposit the amount you want. Now, for this is just for illustration purposes, so I'm just going to put 100 naira there. Now you can also do the same. So just put 100 naira there. Just lock down that payment method to prepaid. I am begging you, because if you don't, and you're watching this video from Nigeria, you're probably going to cry at some point. So to avoid that, just follow what I'm just showing you right now and do exactly as I do it, because this is the least stressful way to make payments. Any other method will stress you out, and I don't want you to be stressed out. So I've set my amount to 100 naira because I'm just doing an illustration. I'll click on next, and it's probably going to send me to a browser. I hope it doesn't do that. Okay, so it's going to send me to a browser. So I'm thinking of what browser can I use. I think I've not used my Chrome. So if you are logged in now, this probably will not be your case, but you probably have logged into your Facebook in your other browsers too, right? Or maybe in your Chrome browser or something. So if it's the same account, if it's the same Facebook account you are using in your browser that you've logged into in your app, then you don't have a problem. Just continue. But I have multiple Facebook accounts because I run multiple ads, so I have to be careful about the one I select so that I don't get everything mixed up and get Facebook to disable my account. So I think the Chrome beta has no account on it, so let's see if we can run that. Let's click on that and see. I don't think there's any Facebook account there. All right, so you click on continue, and you see something like this. You click on card, that dot, you fill in that dot, and so I'm going to put my card details now, so I have to pause this video. So this is how it works. You fill in your card number, the name on the number on the card, that 16-digit number on the card, or whatever digits, it's probably 16, then the name on the card, then the expiry date, the month and the year. Then when you are done, you click on pay 100 naira or whatever amount you have set. So I'm going to pause that because it's my card details I want to fill in there. So all right, so once you're done with that, once you click on that pay 100 naira or whatever amount you want to pay, you're going to see something like this. Depending on the card you use, you would notice that it takes Visa card, MasterCard, or Verve card. So there's going to be a password that will be sent to me. Yeah. Oh boy, I have a lot of notifications here. Boy. Okay, so just click on that, copy that number however you want to copy it. That code that was sent to you, you copy that code however you want to copy it. And my phone has highlighted the code, so that code is your OTP, which is called one-time password. You're going to paste it on that section and click on next. Okay, if you can't copy and paste it, just type it, just memorize it or something, and here you go, your transaction was successful. So I'm using an Access Visa card, by the way, an Access Visa card, an Access Bank card, a Visa Access Bank card, not a MasterCard from Access Bank, but a Visa card from Access Bank. So if you can get that, I've used it for like for a couple of months now, I think, or for over a year now, and I've enjoyed it. In fact, as I speak to you, I can't find the card, but I have all the numbers in my head, so I've been using it like that, and I've been scared. I've not gone to the bank to get a new card because, one, I have memorized the card numbers, and two, if something is working, don't change it. I might get a new card and it might not work as well, or I might even get to the bank and they don't have a Visa card. They might just tell you they have a Verve card, and I don't like Verve card. Avoid Verve card as much as possible as far as this payment method is concerned. Verve card can be very useless. So, but if that's all you have, then you can try it. But I'm telling you what works for me. Access Visa card works well, perfectly well. I hardly have any issues with it. So your payment has been done. ignore this, just go back to your ads manager. And of course, it's going to take a while. You might have to close this app and open it. And let's see, our payments should reflect now. Payments, yeah, that's it. 100 naira is in my account. So this is the amount that is available for me to run ads with. All right, so at any point, if you want to add more money, just click on add funds. And whenever you want to add more money, just click on add funds and just follow the same procedure. Edit the amount you want to add, and just follow the same procedure over and over again. So that's that about that. Okay, so I think we're going to start the ad creation in another video. Yeah.